President Emmerson Mnangagwa is the most vocal defenders and key proponents of his Vision 2030 agenda. Justice Minister Ziyambi's actions signal the possibility of his boss removal through impeachment. Sana pina mashikobranyi kwa pana pachinzi mtukamiri wenyika panguva inoi aiwa osangana aiwa nekubviswa muparamende kuti mbosubscribe like on the bell kuti pina pana pamzimba yodanyira chiti addressing a ZANU-PF Mashonaland West Provincial Coordinating Meeting PCC meeting and Cheguti on Saturday. Ziyambi warned party members against allying with what he described as outside forces and hallucinating factions agitating for the president's removal. His comments come amid growing panic in President Mnangagwa's inner circle as mounting signs point to disgruntled elements within ZANU-PF who are allegedly mobilizing for a potential impeachment bid. While Ziyambi sought to downplay the seriousness of internal rifts, insiders say the tensions are deepening, driven by anxiety, only the president's leadership style, and unclear succession roadmap. In quotes, the talk of impeachment is nothing more than a continuation of failed protests, Ziyambi said, referring to the aborted March 31 demonstration reportedly planned by expelled party member Blessed Geza. Now they are panicking and fantasizing about parliament initiating impeachment. But in Zimbabwe, we have a party-based system. There is no space for individual grandstanding in parliament. Members follow the party line. Ziyambi emphasized that without the backing of the ZANU-PF parliamentary caucus, any impeachment efforts is doomed to fail. He reiterated that MPs operate under the strict whipping system that ensure alignment with the party resolutions, particularly from People's Conference Congress and Central Committee. Ndoma shoko anobuda panguva inoi aiwa achitaurwa aiwa nana Justice Minister Ziyambi pamusoro peimpeachment yemutungamiri wenyika aiwa achiona achipama warnings kune vanhu vese vangada kuzviona kunge vakakura kudarika the ruling party ZANU-PF. Tudze mafunguro enyu kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Vari kuona kunzi macourse for impeachment they are real, but the government is trying by its own zvainokwanisa kuti ikwanise kucover up these issues. Pina comment section medu mafunguro enyu, subscribe or like, jump on the bell icon.